10 Most Impressive Natural Wonders of the World. The Earth is a masterpiece of nature's artistry, sculpted over millions of years into breathtaking landscapes that defy imagination. From towering cliffs to surreal caves, these are the 10 most impressive natural wonders of the world, places that leave even the most seasoned travelers in awe.
Number 1.
The Grand Canyon, USA. Carved by the mighty Colorado River over millions of years, the Grand Canyon is a colossal spectacle of rock and time. Its layers tell a story spanning nearly 2 billion years, standing as one of the greatest geological wonders on Earth.
Number 2. Mount Everest, Nepal, Tibet.
Standing tall at 8,848 meters, Mount Everest is the ultimate challenge for adventurers. The sheer scale of this Himalayan giant is both humbling and inspiring, a symbol of nature's power and human determination.
Number 3. The Great Barrier Reef, Australia.
Beneath the turquoise waters of Australia's coast lies the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral ecosystem. This underwater paradise is home to an incredible diversity of marine life, making it one of the most mesmerizing sights on our planet. When Veron, a former chief scientist at the Australian Institute of Marine Science, first went diving on the vast reef in the early 1960s, he felt like his life started. It was so much packed into a small area, so much life, so much activity, even noisy. It was really a metropolis. It was really humming and buzzing, he says. It's a wilderness, it's dangerous, it's exciting. At that stage, he had no idea about what was in store for this vibrant underwater habitat. I was a climate change skeptic, at first, he says. He realized that climate change was serious in the mid-1980s, and around 1990 he became alarmed about its impact on coral reefs.
Number 4. The Amazon Rainforest, South America.
Why you should go to the Amazon, and what to expect. Wildlife viewing in the Amazon can yield up astonishing specimens, and it can also be notoriously unreliable. In some areas, notably Brazil, you're unlikely to see much in the way of heavy-footed mammals and rare birds. This is because most of the fauna journeys into the deep forest, where it can live undisturbed. Instead, I think exploring the Amazon is about the little, incidental sights. The Amazon rainforest Earth's lungs sprawls across 9 countries, sheltering more than 10% of the world's known species. It is a world teeming with life, where nature's wonders unfold in their purest form. Rainforests are ecosystems that experience a large amount of annual rainfall. They support an incredible number of plants, animals, and other life forms. Although they occur in different parts of the planet, tropical rainforests are found on and around the equator where sunlight is consistent throughout the year.
Number 5. Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe.
Victoria is one of the most spectacular attractions of Africa and one of the most unusual waterfalls in the world. It is created by the Zambezi River that suddenly plummets into a narrow, 100 meters deep chasm. At the same time, Victoria is the only waterfall in the world that is over 1 kilometer wide and over 100 meters deep. Its roar can be heard from 40 kilometers away, while the spray and mist from the falling water rises up to 400 meters and is visible from the distance of 50 kilometers. Even the rainbows are incredible here. They are of the moon kind, produced by the light reflected off the surface of the moon.
Number 6. The Northern Lights, Arctic Circle.
A cosmic ballet of light and color, the Northern Lights are one of the most surreal spectacles on Earth. The sky comes alive with glowing greens, purples, and blues, a magical display of nature's beauty. The Arctic can seem like a vast and faraway corner of the planet, so you might be wondering, can I travel to the Arctic? The answer is a resounding yes. People can visit the Arctic on an overland journey, traveling above the Arctic Circle in countries bisected by the boundary. For a more encompassing, far-reaching experience, travelers can choose to explore the region by ship, which affords the opportunity to go between multiple regions quickly and efficiently, and to discover remote and rugged shores that can't be reached by road.
Number 7. Parícutin Volcano, Mexico.
In 1943, an ordinary cornfield in Mexico erupted, birthing the world's youngest volcano, Parícutin. Within a decade, it grew over 1,300 feet, a living testament to Earth's ever-changing nature. The Parícutin volcano is a remarkable natural wonder located in Mexico. It is considered one of the youngest volcanoes on Earth, as it suddenly emerged from a cornfield in 1943 and rapidly grew into a towering mountain. Parícutin is named after the nearby village where it appeared, located in the state of Michoacán, in central Mexico.
Number 8. Halong Bay, Vietnam.
Vietnam's Halong Bay, situated on the western coast of the Gulf of Tonkin. This is a renowned tourist spot that draws in visitors from all over the world. Its vast expanse of thousands of stunning islands and numerous nearby attractions make it a top pick among tourists seeking an unforgettable getaway. A mystical seascape straight out of a legend, Halong Bay is a wonder of towering limestone islands and hidden caves. It is a place of dreams, where nature's hand has crafted an enchanting paradise.
Number 9. The Sahara Desert, Africa.
The Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert on Earth, is a land of extremes, blazing heat by day, freezing cold by night. Its vast, shifting dunes and ancient secrets make it one of the most otherworldly landscapes on the planet.
Number 10. Waitomo Glowworm Caves, New Zealand.
Deep within New Zealand's caves, a hidden galaxy glows in the darkness. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves are home to thousands of tiny bioluminescent creatures, creating a scene so magical, it feels like stepping into another world. Love the sparkling lights of the city, but want to get away from it all on your New Zealand trip? A visit to Waitomo Glowworm Caves awaits you in the King Country. But of course, the star of the show is the living light show in the ceiling. It's dotted with countless glowworms, found exclusively in New Zealand, and they provide the only light in the cave. It's a magical sight that must be seen to be believed. Take a walk through the various caves and cap it off with a relaxed boat ride down the underground river through the glowworm grotto.